In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite guests on ClickUp. Easy 2026 guide. If you're collaborating with people outside your organization, like clients, contractors, or freelancers, inviting them as guests lets you share only what they need while keeping the rest of your workspace private. You can invite guests on any plan, and on paid plans, you can fine-tune exactly what guests are allowed to do with permissions. Before we start, a quick note about what you can share. Guests can be added to items from the folder level down, including folders, lists, individual tasks, docs, dashboards, goals, and templates. Entire spaces and the everything view can't be shared with guests, which helps protect your broader setup. Let's walk through the process. First, head to your workspace and open the area where the work lives. Navigate to the specific folder, list, or task you want to share. Hover over it and open the menu, then choose Sharing and Permissions. This is where you'll invite the person and control their access. In the invite field, type the guest's email address and press Enter. If the role shows member by default, switch it to guest to ensure they only get access to this shared item rather than your whole workspace. Next, set the right permission level. Full privileges allow the guest to edit and even delete the shared item. Use this for trusted collaborators who need complete control. Edit permissions allow changes to the item and its settings, but they can't add new items or delete existing ones. Comment permissions let them add comments and update task statuses or assignees without altering structure. View only keeps everything read only, perfect when someone just needs visibility. On some lists, you'll see options like Can edit tasks in this list. Select what matches the level of responsibility you want to grant. When you're happy with the settings, click Send Invite. ClickUp will email the guest a link. If they don't already have a ClickUp account, they can create a free one and then jump straight into the items you shared. If you've shared with this person before, you'll see them under Shared With. You can adjust their permissions there or toggle sharing on and off with the slider. You can also copy the invite link directly from the invite window if you prefer to send it yourself. And that's it. Quick, controlled collaboration with guests in ClickUp. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe for more practical guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.